Get ready to prepare a perfect breakfast of crepes with 4 delicious and healthy fillings by Nyam Nyam. All you need is 4 eggs in a mixing bowl, and we're going to add 90 grams of sugar to that. Whisk it up. We're using a hand whisk for this one because it doesn't need too much stirring. Nice and easy. Now we're going to add milk to that, 500 millilitres. Pour it all in and whisk it all together. It's very easy to make this basic crepe mixture at home. Brilliant. Now we're going to add 160 grams of plain flour. You can do it through a sieve, but you don't have to. Just 30 millilitres of melted butter to add into that. That will help it cook nicely. And there you have your crepe mixture. And we're going to pour a little bit into our non-stick frying pan, ready to make our first crepe. Just swish it around a bit to spread it all over the bottom of the pan. Medium heat for this. And once it's ready, you can take it off and start to do your filling. Nutella for the first one. A nice big dollop of that. We're going to spread it over the top part of our pancake. Yummy, can't go wrong with Nutella. And a few strawberries sliced in half. Fold it over, almost to the top but not quite, and again, to make a quarter size, sprinkle some icing sugar on for a finishing touch. You can just pick them up like toast. For our next crepe filling, we're adding 100 grams of raspberries, 100 grams of blackberries, and 100 grams of blueberries, plus 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 50 grams of sugar. Now we're going to heat it on a low heat, stirring all the while, till our sugar and fruit have dissolved. And this is a wonderfully simple way to make homemade jam, and you can use any fruit you like. Next we get 200 grams of cream cheese and 50 grams of sugar. Smash that up in a mixing bowl. So that makes our nice sweet cream cheese. Making sure it's all blended together. There. Ready to add our filling for our second crepe. So we're adding our cream cheese filling first and spreading it out on the top half. And the jam that we made earlier is going on top of that. Of course you can buy it ready-made from the store, but that's not so much fun, is it? Folding it over like so. You can choose how you want to display these, really, anywhere you like. And of course a little sprinkle of icing sugar for a finishing touch. Right, for our third crepe recipe, we're going to get 100 grams of butter. We're going to melt that gently in a pan. If you stir it, you can speed up the melting process. Right, it's melted now, so then we're going to add 200 grams of brown sugar to that. We like brown sugar, gives it a lovely richness. Once it's nice and caramelised, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Stir that in. And finally, some sliced banana. This is looking really nice. Mixing it up so we can caramelise that banana. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, take that off the heat. And start to spoon it onto your crepe. You can be as generous as you like. Yummy. Folding it over, as we did with the other ones. Ready to go on a serving plate. Drizzle some caramel sauce on top. And a little bit of whipped cream. That really helps with the sweetness of this one. For our fourth and final crepe filling, we're adding graham crackers for a bit of crunch and dark chocolate pieces. And a few marshmallows, mini ones. So this one is going to be slightly different because we're going to cook it a second time. That's right, we want to melt the contents. So we're going to stick it in the oven for 5 minutes only at 180 degrees. Drizzle some chocolate sauce over that. And some mashed crackers for a bit of extra crunch. And there you have it.